Well, the Supreme Court begins its new term next week, and already crowds are gathering outside. As Paul Strand shows us, anti-abortion advocates showed up in force today.
Many folks say legalized abortion, it's settled law. Give up trying to get rid of it. But a bunch of people showed up here at the Supreme Court to say, we disagree. It's time to overturn Roe v. Wade. These pro-life partisans unrolled a massive scroll labeled the moral outcry. 250,000 signatures calling for the end of Roe.
Will you be a voice? Would you stir up a moral outcry in the land that would provoke the people to see what the Lord's trying to do in the land? And he's trying to overturn something, the shedding of innocent blood.
Organizers hope to gather 1 million signatures through the website moraloutcry.com. They insist that justices actually pay attention to such petitions.
When you sign the petition, you are severely criticizing Roe v. Wade, and that's one of the reasons itself for overturning a Supreme Court decision.
Some accuse pro-lifers of only caring about the unborn, but the Thibaults say they are doing much more. Melinda Thibault says she heard the Lord tell her to let embryos saved from abortion be planted in her womb, which led her to see a bigger potential.
We've walked many couples through newborn adoption, embryo adoption. There's 600,000 embryos waiting for a room.
Also at this rally, women like Cynthia and Lisa, who've gone through with abortion.
Every day, I just remember the abortion. I remember the death of my son, David Emmanuel.
I have 5 children that are missing from my dinner table. Every time I sit down for dinner, there's not a day that goes by that I don't think about my children.
It was a slow form of destruction, not only of my children, but of my soul also. See, the enemy never plays fair. He kills our children, and he goes after us at the same time.
Many folks say you can't mess with abortion, it's a right. Others say, what about the rights of those unborn babies? What about the right to life? Paul Strand, CBN News, reporting from the Supreme Court.